Welcome back to the 6.8 liter garage. It's been a couple weeks since I've been out here. Been busy, I've been a little bit sick, so if I get into a coughing spell, I apologize. Today we're going to do something a little bit repetitive. Going to do another Christmas ornament. And my wife liked the Christmas tree that I did last year. I downloaded that from Bad Dog Metalworks, and he's got some great drawings and some great walkthroughs, so go check that out if you're interested, or look at last year's video to see what it was. But my wife asked for a less pointy or less sharp Christmas tree, so I thought, I'll get Laptop Guy on it and see if he can draw something. So that's what we're going to do today. A little bit of a Christmas theme, a little bit repetitive, but a Christmas tree ornament we had a new addition to the family. My nephew had a nephew and his wife had a new baby, Addison. So Addison needs a new ornament for the Christmas tree, so we're going to cut that out. And we're going to cut out a new be the first try on a new drawing that Laptop Guy is going to do of a Christmas tree. So why don't you go check out what Laptop Guy is doing, and when you come back, we'll get this all set up while you're away, and when you come back, we'll do some cutting and see how it comes out. So see you in a little bit. Okay, Laptop Guy here, and today we're going to be cutting out that Christmas tree. I did a Christmas tree video about a year ago with the Christmas tree that I downloaded from Bad Dog Metalworks, and that's a great drawing. Feel free to go get that and use it if you want, but my wife says it's too sharp, too many points on it, so she asked me if I could make one that had less points. So that was a drawing I came up with, and you're wondering, how do you draw something like that? Well, I'll show you what I did. We won't go through the full process, but I'll get you started the right direction, and you can finish it yourself, or feel free to go to the 6.8 liter store and download it. So I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to change the document properties to set the background roughly the size that I want this Christmas tree to be. I'll say 6x9. That just gives me some guidelines to go by when I'm drawing. Alright, so how do you draw it? Get the Bezier tool, the pen tool, and let's see, so you see here 0 and 6, so I'll start at the top. Christmas tree is going to be right around here. 3. So there you go. That's quick and dirty how I created the Christmas tree. Hopefully I wasn't going too fast, but with my cold, I didn't want to, mumble and groan and cough and make too much noise. But hopefully the time lapse will show you what I did, and you'll be able to make your own from that. And again, if you don't want to make your own, you can always download the one I'm going to cut from the 6.8 liter store. There'll be a link on in the description and on the video. So let's get out in the garage. Okay, welcome back to the garage. Hopefully laptop guy was easy enough to follow. He's got the same cold I do, so he probably wasn't real talkative, but hopefully you get the gist of how to do that drawing. If you're creative like him, go ahead and follow along and create your own drawing. If not, you can always go to the store, 6.8 liter store, and download the drawing. It'll be up there. You might notice that on the YouTube channel, the store is linked there, and it shows some items in the store. But it doesn't show the drawings, and that's because YouTube can't verify the copyright of those, so they won't show digital drawings. They will show, hats, shirts, those kind of things. So if you just click on the link or follow the link in the description, or click on one of the links to one of the shirts or whatever, you can go to the store and you'll find the cut files for these different things that I'm making in the garage here. But anyway, so we're all set up. It's going to be 30 amps, 55 PSI. This is 18 gauge. It's going to be 110 inches per minute. And first thing we're going to cut is a little Addie's ornament. So let's get it going. It's still hot. It looks like laptop guy's design came out okay. Well, we'll get that cleaned up and bend it, and let's see what we get. Well, hopefully this is what laptop guy had in mind. Looks pretty good. Hopefully this is what my wife had in mind. Even better. Way less sharp. Except for the star's a little bit sharp. But maybe I can hit that with the grinding wheel. The flap disc. Anyway, and then little Addie's ornament. So I'm going to get the dross off of these and get them cleaned up a little bit. This one just needs to be flat because it's going to get painted, so it'll match Addie's sister's ornament, so they'll be the same. And this one's probably going to be I like it just raw metal, so I might leave it raw metal, and then it'll be up to my wife to decide the final state of things, but let's get it cleaned up. Okay, got the tools stowed, got the PPE put away. I put a coat of primer on the ornament, but let's see if I can bend this tree without getting too crazy here. Should be fairly simple to do by hand. Needs to go a little bit farther, I think. And let's see if I can turn the inside. Without ruining the outside circle. There we go. Remember, it's 18 gauge, so easily bent. Take a little tweaking. There you go, Christmas tree ornament. Well, Christmas tree display piece, not an ornament. Okay, so there's Addison's new Christmas ornament for her first year, and the new version of the Christmas tree that it's available for download or draw your own. It wasn't that difficult if you can follow the laptop guy's instructions, but there you go, Christmas tree and Christmas ornament for Addie. All right, I know that wasn't a very long one and not a very involved project, but that's what I got for you today. Got a new version of the ornament, Christmas tree ornament for Addison, and the Christmas tree figurine put out for my wife's gonna probably paint this Christmas tree colors, so I'm out now. I'm just gonna hand it off to her. But yeah, you can follow along in Laptop Guy's instructions and draw your own drawing and cut it out, make your own alterations, or do whatever you want with it. Or if you want, this is available in the store, so put a picture of what the store looks like there. YouTube doesn't show thumbnails of digital files in the store link to the YouTube channel, so you can't see them there. But if you follow any one of those links to the store, all the cut files that I've created are available for download for a small fee, and this one's there as well. Anyway, so you can follow. I'll put a QR code up here to get you to the store, and there's a link in the description. But anyway, if you want to make a Christmas tree, there's a new version. The pointy one that my wife doesn't like, from Bad Dog Metalworks, his is still, that's a good drawing. I like it. Maybe more refined than this one. This is the first cut at this, and but my wife likes this. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. So like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about it, and go get a drawing, or take a cut at your own drawing. You may not be as creative as Laptop Guy. I know I'm not. I probably would just pay the money and download it. But if you want to give it a shot, Inkscape's free, time's free, and you got to do something, right? So download Inkscape and try to draw it yourself. Get frustrated, buy my drawing and cut one out. All right, well, I know it's early, it's November, but we're getting close. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.